Lesson 6.4 is on pages 237 through 241. We are working on creating bar charts and resizing charts. You will go to Schoology and download the 6.4 source document, and then you will save it as 6.4 Superhero Stats. Step 4A, merge and center cell A1 across columns A through G and change the font size to 36. Step 4B, bold and center row 3 and change the font size to 18. Step 4C, apply a thick border to all cells A3 through G13. Step 4D, change the page orientation to landscape. Step 5, select cells A4 through B13, and from the Insert tab, Charts group, go to Insert Column or Bar Chart, and choose the 2D bar clustered bar chart option. Step 5B, position the chart under the data. Step 5C, make sure that the chart is large enough to see all of the data labels. Step 5D, change the chart title to Superhero Weight Comparison and the font size to 16. Step 6, select cells A4 through A13. Go to our Insert Column or Bar Chart drop-down menu, choose the 3D clustered bar. Look on page 241 to see where that chart should be placed. Resize the chart to make it big enough to show everything we need to read. Change the chart title to Superhero Height Comparison and change the font size to 16. Step 7, select cells A3 through A13 and D3 through G13. Go to the Insert Column or Bar Chart, choose the 2D bar, Stack bar. Step 7B, position the chart to the right of the data. Resize the chart if necessary, and change the chart title to Superhero Measurement Comparison and the font size to 16. Save your spreadsheet and submit on Schoology.